The SPARKX i7 does come with one of these, so let me open it. So it gives you 4 slots to give you multicolor because this is a beginner printer, auto feed. So it lets you know which one has been auto fed and lights up here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a mini ITX case. I need to print this bracket, so I'm in the process of printing that. So the screw plate adds into the slicer of Creality, but I want to print it flat, and it's going to take about 18 minutes to print. So these are all default settings, straight out the printer, settings by Creality, so they really did a lot of research. And with this bar here, it gives you real-time status. So right now I printed halfway of the print. So once it's fully printed, the whole status bar will be filled up. So the screw plate's done. So now I got the 4 plates completed. Slots right in. So now I'm gonna take this and slot it right here and screw it in. I want to do this by hand because I don't want to ruin the inserts. So now that it's all screwed in, I don't have to glue it. So here's what the final product will look like for a computer case I'm working on. So this was the Creality i7 SPARKX. Highly recommend if you're looking for a starter printer. It really does a job straight out of default settings. As you can see, I printed the whole case from a starter printer. It's pretty sick.